ROUF has sworn to protect the outstanding natural beauty of Kashmir. Not because it is beautiful, but because it is home. Ask ROUF where any kind of love begins, and he will tell you it begins with attention. You step out, you let the wild in. You bear witness, you become witnessed. And this is how it begins. Before ROUF became a teacher, he immersed himself in deep learning. A learning that came from walking, from listening, from inhabiting. Everything that stirred from this experience became the syllabus he shared with countless eager minds across Kashmir. A gifted chronicler, a tireless educator, ROUF heads the Jammu and Kashmir Birdwatchers Club and teaches at the Government Boys High School in Habak, Srinagar. The bridge between the natural world and the manic everyday human lives is better mended than severed. At this intersection is where you will find the steadfast ROUF Ahmad Rathar. In his simple ways of leading, of teaching and introducing future generations to nature and biodiversity, ROUF is a lighthouse pointing the youth toward a simple revelation: that it is not possible to lead a fulfilling life without the well-being of the planet.
I am ROUF Ahmad Rathar. I belong to these mountains, these wetlands, these forests of Kashmir, my paradise, my Jannah.